This is how to find the inverse of any square matrix. So the first thing you are going to do is to press on mode. Then we select number 6, which represents matrix. Then we select where to store our matrix. So we can go for mat A. Then we look at the question, the type of matrix we are dealing with. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we look for 2 by 2, which is number 5. We now insert the element we have in this matrix. So we have 1. Anytime we press on the number, then you press on equal to 3 and also 4. When you are done, you press on AC. Everything will disappear. Then you press on the shift and key number 4. So with key number 4, on top of it, we have matrix. That is why we press on the shift and key number 4. We now select the matrix we stored our element into. So that was mat A. So I'm going to select that. Then we use this key, which have the x exponent -1. We press on it and it is shown on the screen as this. When you are done with this, you then press on the equal to sign. So it means that this is our inverse. The inverse of this matrix is -2, 1, 3 over 2, and also -1 over 2. Let's look at the second question. So the second question too, the same way. Let's restart everything. So we press on mode, we select 6, then we choose that where we want to store our matrix. So this time around, let's use number 2, which is mat B. And looking at this second one, we have a 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix is key number 1. So we select 1, then we insert the data we have here. So let's do that. 1, so this one is 6. Now when you're done, you then press on the AC. Now everything will disappear. You then press on the shift and key number 4. Then we select the type of mat where we stored our matrix. So that was mat B. So we select number 4. We now use the inverse sign we have over here on this key. Then press on the equal to. So the inverse of matrix K is this, which is -24, 18, 5, 20, -15, -4, -5, 4, and also 1. So this is how to use the calculator to find the inverse of any square matrix. And also these are the answers to this type of matrix. Thank you for watching.